What's up, YouTube? Been a while since I post them. Trying to stay current. I ain't never do no work on the box. Ran into some family issues, gotta get all that straight. I have been working on getting my sounds. As you can see, here's one. Well, 215s SSL. You can see the watts on there. I'm actually thinking about getting two more. Getting the custom box, get 4.
2 boys and 1 girl.
Finna show y'all the other stuff. And here's the rest of the stuff. SSL, 4-band EQ, SSL 2-way crossover. Got some new 6x9, Alpine, Type S. Here's the SSL 2500 watts that I'm running the speakers on. And also have this MTX audio terminator for the 212s I got that I'm putting in Impala. Got a 2010 Impala. I'm working on that too, trying to do a little something. And here's just a bunch of little spare parts that came with the 212s and the MTX. The bass knob, extra fuses and stuff. So let me show you the 212s that I'm putting in Impala. And these are the 212s. I'm going with them, putting in Impala. And my in the box, I had the sounds hooked up, just the 15s in the amp, and the power wire kept burning out. I don't know why. I was running it all off a 4-gauge wire. So I guess what I was saying is I'm just gonna get another. So I'm waiting to get another battery, a separate battery for the speakers and stuff. And I'm trying to get me a 0-gauge kit to run the speakers on and see would that make it any better. But anybody got any ideas on a better way to hook it up? You know what I'm saying, comment, let me know. You know, that's it. I'll make another video when I get something else, or either get my sounds hooked back up. Alright, YouTube.